Hi guys, this is Blink's Beauty, and
join me as I take you through the journey of our prestyle glueless wig for our bride. This is our 13 by 4 frontal. So we have to bleach the frontal, the net. See how white it is. We have to bleach it for it to get a natural skin color. So what you need for your bleaching, you need your developer, your bleaching powder, your bleaching plate, and a mixture and an applicator. So now we are mixing it. So in this mixing process, make sure you are mixing it very thick. It should not be watery so that it will not pass through the net and start bleaching the hair. So you apply your developer in a little quantity and mix very well. This is the mixer. So we are done with the mix and we are applying it on the net. Please wear your glove. Don't follow me in this area. Please wear your glove because this is the process. We finish applying it on the net and this is it. Wait